What did you find, Junior?
Junior? Dad?
Please, what does it always mean, this Junior?
That's his name. Henry Jones Jr.
Like Indiana.
We named the dog Indiana.
Dog? You are named after the dog?
Got a lot of fond memories of that dog.
We've started on the hike to the Treasury of Petra.
The inscriptions telling us the purpose of this facade. Very simple. You see the inscription there. Look at the map. You will find it. Petra teacher shortcut is from. Again, the sign says you want to go from here.
We're at the end of the Seek, about to go into the open area of the Treasury. Are you ready for it?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Wow. It's raining children.
You want to ride a camel all the way down to the sea curve and back?
No, thank you. Pretty amazing. Wait, look at me. What do you think?
I love it.
We're at the Treasury.
You love flight in a camel? Tough flight.
Yes. So you know the story. Now, in between these stuff, there's something. We call these shapes.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
You too.
Bye bye. If you're interested in the way back, what you think you like?
Here's the theater of the Nabataeans. These were used for tombs, and then they removed the bodies of the skeletons and turned them into shops.
We have 120 columns around this temple. People from down to up. The priest supposed to be on the upper level, and the other people in less level.
We're about to start up The 822 steps up to the monastery of Petra.
Tam pod temelec 15.
We're still on our way up to the monastery.
Up the steps. We're probably about 200 now.
We've been hiking for about 25 minutes. I don't know what percentage we're done.
I bet about 300 steps now.
Here's what's behind us.
Wow. Okay.
Selam. Kimleri nasılsın?
Let's see if it's around the corner. It is! Look at that! The monastery at Petra. The monastery at Petra, after climbing 822 steps-ish, it took about 40 minutes to get up here. Mo, our guide, was just explaining taking rock that looks like that and with hammer and chisels making it into the beautiful monastery here. Only 300 more steps. Okay, we're on our way out, back to the car. It's just 10 minutes to 5 p.m. and we're heading back after a great day in Petra.
May we go home now, please?
Ready?
Indy, Henry, follow me. I know the way. Ha!
After you, Junior.
Yes, sir.